welcome to another very interesting moment with our HTML program. Um, Today we're going to be looking at how to link, how to create hyperlinks and anchors. All right. I hope you've been following our classes, our previous classes, the first and second part. Welcome to the third part. I'm going to show us briefly how to create hyperlinks. Okay. Now, hyperlink is simply a text, image, or whatever that becomes clickable, and upon click redirects the user to another location, right? So we're going to do that quickly, like so. We have our doc type. Okay, I'm going to save this. I'm saving it as a uh, okay. My desktop. I'm going to save that as hyperlink.html. All right, so I'm going to click on save. Okay, HTML. Okay, I'm going to just delete this one. Now, whatever, I just delete. Okay, hyperlinks. Okay, now you need not worry about most of these tags getting filled up. Okay, so this is Sublime text, but you can actually work with anyone. All right, so in the body of our document is where we can create the hyperlinks straight away. Now, I'm going to start with text, a text name, for example, the text name. So for a text name, you're going to see a text being displayed on the screen, okay, or on your browser, and you're going to have to click on the text for it to take you somewhere, redirect you somewhere else. So we're going to be having something like this. We're going to be having something like this. Okay, so let's say I have a text. Okay, so maybe I have a nav and I have a text. Now it doesn't really matter what tag you want to place it in. Okay, it can well be a div, it can well be a div, okay, whatever, it can be a header tag. Okay, it doesn't really matter anyone. So I'm going to use a nav tag, for example. So I'm going to have a nav tag NAV. Okay. All right. Now in between these nav tags is where I'm going to have define my navigation. All right, like so, like so. Yeah, we're going to have some group of text, maybe home, about, contact, privacy policy, that kind of stuff. Now, to create a hyperlink, actually, you need an A tag. Okay, like so, A for anchor. But then it's pretty much useless to us this way. It's a container tag, so it's going to have both opening and closing. I'm going to have a text in between, like home. But this is pretty much useless to us. It doesn't really work like this. So we're going to have to extend the A tag with an attribute like so. Okay, now the first attribute that you indicate within your A tag is the href. Okay, the href actually specifies uh, where a user is going to be redirected to if he clicks on that. Okay, so the user is going to see home. All right, he's going to see the text home. But when he clicks on home, it's going to be redirected to whatever I enter inside this double quote. So I'm going to maybe like so, hyperlink.html. Now this is okay. Yes, it could actually be okay https www.somethingthere.com or whatever. But okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go to hyperlink.html like so. All right, now I'm going to create another one. Okay, let's have as much as we can do, as we can have. Okay, um okay, I'm going to have another one, href equals to maybe contact us like that, contact us. Okay, maybe contact.html. Okay, and so on. Then the text the user is going to see is contact us, like so. All right, so you can have as many links as you want. Now this is one, and this is another one. Now, okay, I'm just have to go and refresh my browser. Let's see. So let's look at this. So I'm going to save this, save. Okay, I'm just going to cancel that, and I'm going to open. Okay, let's see my browser. So there you have home. They have contact us. All right. So I'm just going to have to add more. Let me just add more. So just have like so. Href. Maybe we can bring it down. Href equals to um, okay, equals to something. Maybe about slash a. We're gonna have another one. Href equals to that. Okay. And privacy policy. Sorry. Okay, so we have privacy policy and slash a. Okay. Now I'm just have to go refresh the browser again. Yeah, and we have that about privacy policy. Okay, one more. Ahref is equals to maybe of use, terms of usage, and that would be that one. Okay. Okay, terms of use. All right. Okay. Now, if you don't really want your link to go to anywhere, you want the user to remain on the link when he clicks on it, right? You can just use the like so. Okay, you can just have this. Doesn't really lead us anywhere. But on an actual site, you should have an actual URL. Okay. Now, when specifying a URL, you have two ways. We have the absolute and the relative. Okay. So absolute, you can actually type a web address, facebook.com. If you want to leave to facebook.com, or any actual address, or you can specify a page on this site, okay, like we did here. Okay, contact with HTML. You can actually begin with a slash. It's okay. So slash HTML, okay, or slash hyperlink.html, like so. All right. Okay. All right. So now we have our hyperlink and our anchor, like so. All right. So you're going to redirect us to that and so forth. Okay. So this is how it goes. Now, okay. Now I want to show us something. I want to put a paragraph here. Just write a dummy text in there. Okay, write a dummy text. I want to create another paragraph. Okay. I want to create another paragraph. Okay. Okay. And another dummy text in there. Okay, like so. I want to create another paragraph. Okay, another paragraph. Another dummy text in there, like so. Okay, I want to create another paragraph. You know, maybe just leave it like that. Dummy text in there, like so. Okay. Let's see. Oh, sweet. It can go as long as as long as we want it to be. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste. Now, I'm just using a paragraph. It could be any content, any image, whatever. Okay, so let me see that. Okay, okay, like so. Okay, cool. That's cool. All right, cool. Now, I want to do something here. I want to show us how to link to a specific part of a web page. So I want to link to a specific part of a web page. Let's say I want to link to this one here, last paragraph. Okay, I have last paragraph. Last paragraph. All right, or last item. Last item. Okay. Okay, so that's last item. Now I want to link to last item. Okay, so I want to link to a particular section in this on this web page. For example, last item. Now there's what we call the anchor name. I'm going to give this an anchor name. Okay, just look at this. Look at this. But I'm going to give this a name, not href again, but a name. Okay. So I'm going to give this a name. The name is going to be, say, last item. Okay, last item. Okay, a name. And I'm going to link to the name here, right here, like so, like so. Uh, okay. So we have last. Okay. Go to last item, like so. Now, the value here is going to be last item beginning with the hash key, like so. Okay, hashtag last item. All right, so that is going to redirect us to this name here, last item. Okay, like so. So I'm going to refresh and go to last item. Okay, I go to last item and I'm going to click on it and it takes us scroll us down here. Now I'm going to scroll up. Okay, I don't see last item. All right, until I click on go to last item and then it scrolls down to last item. Okay, also I can do something, create another one. Okay, doesn't really matter, just if ref is equals to hash top. Okay, like so, and then when I go to top of page, yeah, go to top of page. I'm going to refresh my browser. I'm going to refresh this thing. Okay, when I click on go to last item, okay. When I click on okay, when I click on go to last item, it brings me to last item, and then I can click on go to top of page, and it takes me back to top of page. All right, like so. So that is how to run your anchor. Now there are other attributes that you can have within your anchor. For example, I want to give the title as an attribute. You can have hyperlink, okay, for example, and I want to give this okay a title attribute. Let's say contact page on a page, and I'll give this one a title attribute. I'm going to call it about page. I'm going to give this another title attribute. I'm going to call it privacy policy page. Privacy policy page. I'm going to give this a title attribute, and I'm going to call it terms of use. Okay, terms of use. And okay, maybe I'll give this a title attribute, and I'm going to call maybe give it the value of last paragraph. It doesn't really matter what you name them, but let's just give it this. So I'm going to refresh my page, and so watch what happens when I point my mouse on each of these items. So you can see that hyperlink, you see that corner page, you see that about page, you see that privacy policy page, you see that terms of use, and you see the last paragraph. So the title, when you use title as an attribute, like so, title as an attribute, whatever value you assign to it will be displayed when you hover on the item that has the attribute. All right. So this is a title, has a value of hyperlink, and belongs to this hyperlinked item home. So whenever I hover on the item home, I'm going to see this hyperlink. Okay. Now another thing we can do is to have a target attribute, like so. All right. Now for target simply means that we can have an item opening on another tab. For example, I click on home, it's going to attempt to load home on a fresh tab. All right, rather than loading it on the same tab, it will attempt to load it on a fresh tab like this. Okay, so I'm going to have to specify that if I want that, I'm going to use the target okay, blank underscore blank. That will be the value of the target. So I'm going to use this to target a blank tab, okay, or a blank page on the browser. um, Default itself, that's default. Okay, so you can also have other ones like top and frame, but we're going to be using blank, okay, on this. All right, so I'm going to refresh my page and focus on a blank page and click on this, focus on a blank tab, click on this like so. So target specifies what tab you want to target. So if I want to target a blank tab, so I want this link right here to open on a blank tab. I'm going to use target blank.